If we think of oxidative power and reductive power as opposites, by measuring the oxidation reduction potential value in accordance with the properties of water, we can see that if the value is positive, it is oxidative power, and if it is negative, it is reductive power. Water with high oxidative power will rust metal and will cause our bodies to become acidic, while water with high reductive power will have an antioxidant function, which will remove free radicals that are the root cause of many illnesses, thus protecting yourselves from oxidative damage. This water is good for your health. Also, compared to other existing automatic flow reverse systems, electrolytic cells, the system can remove any standby time, and an automatic cleaning function relieves the inconvenience of cleaning. And by adopting a high-efficiency advanced SMPS, is achieving reliable performance for a variety of changes in water quality while reducing power consumption and heat generation. For concerns of maintenance and management, it has been designed with a consumer orientation. Older products needed to be disassembled and reassembled, but now anyone can easily replace the filters. A clean double-layer filter and a 10-step purification process allows consumers to drink their water safely. This filter went under rigorous testing for over 6 months to become NSF certified in the USA. With its amazing water purification for 4,000 liters, it passed the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety and the Korea Environment and Merchandise Testing Institute's tests easily. The medical instrument certified Alkaline ionized water product that makes clean drinking water to protect the health of its customers. Water for a healthy life. Water for a productive life. For your vibrant life, we'll be with you.